15th. Are you ready? Okay, cool. May 15th. Or is it the 16th? It's one of those? Okay. Yep. Is it 16th? Okay. May 16th. And if it's not, May 15th. If it's not, 17th. Okay, whatever. Okay. So this is Andie, I-E. I-E. And this is Jim, J-Y-M. Not Y, whatever. That doesn't work that way. Okay. All right. So this is week 2 of our East Coast swing. We did some bronze patterns, which were kind of cool, right? So what did we do? Tell me what we did. What was the first thing? We did, I can't remember. Tell me. Sugar, oh, that was 2. Which one? Ah, oh, that's right. Okay. So we're doing swivels. Where'd you get the shots from? I like it. Thank you. Thank you for the help because the brain is going numb. Here we go. So we're doing a progressive swivel. So we did 1, 2. We did a forward chasse, trip, full step, and then we do our swivels. 2, 3, 4, finishing with a regular chasse back out. So look at that again. Good job. That was awesome. See, she's good. So the difference here is that we're normally in regular hold, but as I start to do it, I want to create more of a ballroom hold, and that allows me to lead that a little bit better. Okay? And Andie appreciates that. Yes, okay, yeah, you know what to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swivel, 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 chasse 1, chasse 2. Yay! Okay. Second thing, sugar push, also known as chicken blocks. Yeah, sugar push swivels are cool, but chicken walks kind of, yeah, they're interesting, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we did it from a throw-out position. So throw-out, remember, leaders, when we're doing the throw-out, that my chasse has to be very small to allow my partner to go by, and then I do a little bit of a chasse away, and I overturn my partner so that when I turn her back, using that rock step timing, 1, 2, and then we do our swivels. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do our back rock, and then we're back out. Okay? So if we're going to be doing the sugar push swivels, ladies, as we're coming out, where we want to stay behind the foot, and we create this X action, this S, this S, this S, and then back rock. Okay? And then we did one of the old school sliding doors, right? So sliding doors coming out also from the throw out position. Okay? So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to do a side rock instead of a back rock. Side rock. And then, Mike, we're going to be doing it with the right leg as well as the left. Back with the left. And then the right. And then we're going to end it with an inside underarm turn. Yay. Okay, so we're going to do all this with music. Let's hope. Okay. There we go. One, 2, triple, triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple, triple. To our throw out. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back rock. Andie, everybody. Woo! Nice job. Thank you.